On board Mr. Akshay Bhagwat of JM Financial Services joining us on the technicals. Akshay, hi, good afternoon. Good to be speaking with you. What is the sense that you're getting on the Nifty? Yesterday we came very close to breaching 24,000 on the downside, and now we're once again comfortably above the 24,200 mark. It's been a good uptick, but how sustainable is this?
Good afternoon to all. Yes, finally there has been some relief for the Nifty index, which has seen quite an unusual trading pattern in the last 12 trading sessions. And today is the first day where, at least as of now, the prior day's high point has been breached. So some bit of a reversal or bounce back is likely on the cards. 24050 is the immediate support zone for the Nifty index. And in all likelihood, this recovery rally ahead of the Tuesday's monthly expiry for Nifty index can see the Nifty moving up for levels of 24,350 to 24,400. So these are the best case scenario levels on the upside for the monthly expiry. For today, I think it's more of a range bound trading session as it has been. Key levels, if you're an intraday trader, will be the support of 24,160, and on the upside 24,240 odd zone is open on any bump up in the second half of the day.
Okay. Hi Akshay, Meryl here also joining in. The moves that we've seen today, I'm gathering that they're mainly coming in from the US Treasury Department announcement in terms of the bond prices and the sort of moves that we've seen in global markets as well. What are the levels looking like for the Nifty going on out from here? Do you see these sort of levels sustaining in the next couple of trading sessions as well?
Yes, so bond markets have supported the Nifty index. And also, one more important factor to note is that there are a lot of IPOs which are hitting the market recently. I think around 34, 35 IPOs is what the list is. And 3, 4 IPOs are behind our back. Good listing gains is what we have seen. So as more IPOs are done, I think the fresh flow of funds should be back in the markets. I think 2450, 24,000 odd support zone is there to stay at least for the next few days. And if the recovery rally ensures from here, then we can again see Nifty bouncing all the way up till 24,400 basis spot.
Looking good on that front. Akshay, amid a market where you're expecting slight further up move, what at this point looks good to buy, where our viewers can make a quick trade, or rather even to invest right now? What would some good ideas in the market be?
Yes, so I think banking is one sector which is comparatively stronger than the Nifty index. And here, mid-cap banking space, a lot of banks are showing strength. So I think Federal Bank is one of the names where there has been pretty strong chart patterns since the last couple of months. Lately, in the last few days, it has gone sideways, but the uptrend is intact. So I would recommend first Federal Bank as a buy. The current market price is 361. There is a strong support base at 350. Your stop losses are below 350. And we are looking at potential upside targets of 377 to 390 for the short-term perspective. The second trade would be more of a bottom fishing here, and HDFC Life is the name here, which trades at 540. It is trading at an important support, and we believe that from the support of 530, the stock can recover in the month of September. Probable targets which are emerging as of now is 560 to 565 on the upside. You can buy for these targets with a stop loss at 527.
Okay. Got that, Akshay. Give us your take on defense as well. That seems to be the only sector still in the red, even after the rest of the index is performing like really quite well. What's your take on defense? Any sector-specific picks over there?
See, defense was more of a sentimental buying impact, which we saw after the PM's address to the nation on 15th of August. Normally, around those times, you get some sentimental buying in defense stocks. And also, I believe there were a couple of orders which some defense companies got during that time, which saw some buying impact in defense names. So I think it was just a sentimental fizz which we saw in the defense pack. Besides the entire pack, I think there are very select names which you can look at for buying in the defense names, and Paras Defense will be one of the stocks which I would be eyeing to buy, because on the technical charts we have seen a very strong breakout a couple of days back at 1400. In fact, the stock was on a 10% circuit that particular day. A slight correction in the last 2 days is giving you re-entry opportunities around 1450. So I would bet on Paras Defense at the current levels as a buy. You can even add on dips till 1450, and 1600 to 1650 on the upside will be potential targets on this buying position. Stop loss strictly you have to maintain at 1377.
Okay, that's on Paris Defense and your view on the entire defense index. On that note, Akshay, thank you so much for your time. Good to be speaking with you today.
Thank you.
Thank you.